Blasters but honestly I like the Carlos Cruz. He's showing he's an experienced manager. We share more camp on him now. The atmosphere, the how environment, it's not toxic. It looks friendly. They are happy.
Why Manchester United? So.
You just learned. Yes. Things now are coaching. Or the experience, because one I have blasters over the years here, Omoko Kampa. We lot of stories, negative ones. But you could see say he's showing, telling them say I'm a big man, I'm an experienced man. It's what bang as what bang. So it's Obia and Omibuefu when I'm happy there be. It's I like how he's Omoko Kampa, how he joke with them, play with them, have fun with them. Omo boludu, omo tennis, omo yewe, omo ye quiz. Unse
omo ludu now.
Oh bibia omo ye so quiz.
Omo ye quiz that.
Oh I say agro so just some questions.
Hey you ask omo ma born be fere o.
Oh there.
Obuza question obinti.
I'm happy with our environment in here. Let's hope say God honestly. So me share yes me share Panama e be kan one some against Brazil say we should not there in there. I watch my share Croatia. If watch Croatia national team the recent team any players no more now. I think say with a bit nyama or the real boys no. Yes, ebia talent wise ye nduru but ye man ye near dia we can't go past this group. And now no England for New Zealand friendly match here yes there wasn't the status and immunity was Saka and defense and Declan Rice. They are only starters that were not part of Omambubi Kra. But how New Zealand strategically played with New Zealand for England for the boy now. I think that with how Chris set up in the team maybe we can go past this group and see how Chris will go. I like the atmosphere and Kwaya Fasoko. Joto Matisse, the new board of Asante Kotoko. So I'm confirm Akoto. Administrative manager.
Oh, okay.
Akoto has been confirmed by the board.
Okay.
One of the appointments, Akoso at Kotoko, appointing Akoto. Say Richard Akoto as the administrative manager of the club.
Oh, okay.
Say now so Papa no the Jibo my who so obedu
da bi hari na de mai nya Jibo.
I had okay. Weekend yin so no
abedu na say we
oh so amuso kuma say
okay
amuso kuma say am say Kotoko na want to make the announcement
and be at
their own pace
from the next year
no mo weekend ni na me nam let me teach maybe Kotoko maybe a coach in the no kwan so no maybe an to mo da no
nim ho ona nim nti so
oh how be anymore je kwan so on so o be
a kwan be so
and o sa kwan so o kwan be
ai na ya garu
o sa o kwan no
ona coach no
o kwan na zito mo so from a very nice resident across coach we the same building no a different building but the sa kwan so
okay.
So I saw them doing a lot of work.
No, so.
Me could teach maybe
oh, okay.
Let me program you on TV file.
Okay.
So I saw them doing a lot of work at that house. Until me and as near as I'm sure who share what is happening. Just what it.
Baby, I'm not coaching it.
No coaching it.
Now sporting director coach now coach better.
No, no coaching now. I'm to say
coach no so bad.
Coach no so no.
Okay.
I'm to say
almost easy open deep
into. Na
to WC the voice.
It me twem na mko jana mti say omu twitwa ho because ho pictures
e dey atre no
because omu me famasum sa
ozo baby obetina ansa no aba
yes no mo so mo say it's a very
good akwa no a big coach
it's a very good and nice place ne enya na omu di segment you know I like the way I say things are nyemesi so nyemesi at least they are making appointment omo hwe ni say bia be continue ye be hwa ye me awte na
coach so be baby obetina ansa no aba that game nie
me so no na
aje du tie o
on request na say omo are so omo hwe de amane de aha so on request you so Kotoko na na say oh let's yan fan chen no and I mean tim nye bat
no omo so free never
and am fama so honestly and I'm famous.
Okay.
But almost na on also NCB and also when I'm council about starting the so House of Folk. Well, finally, we can support us like more music. Now, our supporters, Mr. Tony say, Nama ya course wa asa no. Omo problem na esikasem. Obi ka hwe kire wa menti esikasem. Recently, when we say preview to discussion me omo with a key sponsor. Person ka key sponsor never sponsor omo. Na omo propose omo de call ya na. Many men say it was a sponsorship say omo ko too because I said they were ready to pay some money, but they only pay in 3 installments.
That's also yeah.
I know companies in there more record of more the car. Kwanya for money for a car. Moka dia is Canada. Nigeria day. So if you position yourself in a way, say obeying the war, or the canon pia, you are in trouble. Because you see,
one position was that.
As of folk.
Sa na ba from reni wan so mo obi ani e na nso court o go position mo kire wan
no somebody
what do ma to bibi o mo ndia
o say recently there
timba aba from gochi so bi ni bia
na any place
the place is salary
na so to ni say no ani o
say na discuss am no dey say no dey ka undia
eno anu no eno any problems yi be okay na place recently the place almost 15 they come and complain about no more house folk problem in AC.
Okay.
Because the entity because Mediama I'm aware of the same case sponsor I'm gonna make a contract or Matias. Things no more your Matias. But I didn't ask for Matias. Because they don't say I'm more that can.
That's not fair because I'm only go for a business be training in about
now I want to say I took for his own charge.
And almost saying no cross. Obi am for evidence for obi am I almost saying no. Go on I said yes I did.
Go for that.
So too. Sports minister Kwajem Pai boy necessary.
Yeah.
Ya handle the infam Pai.
Me na me feel say also yes some interdenominational service be na nkom dia matim no. Now I'm the man. Next, I saw for be able to bump. They said the baby back open.
But between country players, no mountain mass and what camp also.
Blast as
well. Yes, I knew man.
They be all the.
Send a Megan can control.
Because of Monteswa. Some evidence of. Oh, last time camp tournament. Won't you mean, sir?
Najibomuko Egypt by a month of Yamba. Egypt, Yamoko back we buy. Story Amba, Egypt after
tournament.
Afcon, yeah, and the Moon 7P. Blasters issues amba am too
tournament
to the end country almost say a bomb pie mound to abrabon a bomb pie now so bobre now what to you maybe so what I say cause empire boy bomber now you maybe away empire and drew her once a guardian angel on to me fan count why if you say
yeah and there are rules so now what is say England coach in this Tuchel say Obemo +1 -1 for your contract negotiations. Was one preventive play be but a day before you cannot have that. There are rules there.
Better me can say. Sabra sports minister Nam Kuma say Jim Paibono. Almost some bomb bre yi wo ho. Na man Paibon ntimi nya adwuma. Accra o dey say baby aso no bi a mzoto. There can you say almost all Jim Paibo Omunya nyoma ni ye. Send my Paibo na duru ho betimi aka omo ye.
Okay.
Na ye duru baby a footballers mzoto. Almost say o man ko from Paibo ye kwa.
Okay.
Normally ye no pa.
Okay, majority
yes rom wa na omunya nyoma be mo ho ate.
It's about time now.
Na sa internal edututu ono noto. Internal na we two na camp ono doni nyina omunja sa anima. Na ma mpaiba Ghana for be so much.
Blaster dey Asante ni ho sa.
Otu. Enya Blaster school chairman na tournament aba be ka che Ghana for say. Ye toto papa so because of nduru ani ahodo ane wo. Nyina mpie da. Intimoto when come the catch on the moment. Yes. Any nyoma ahodo anko for ye ho no omuma e ho nye clean.
No ebroni na bibini.
No ebroni.
So no onti amamra.
Oto yakɔ
on dia mamra sinto
yes from because to minister on say nya asem keto minister akɔgye mpa bo pa say no ɔde wɔ kronkron pa zenam wiemu basa Ghana for say ɛno akɔkɔ
president
ɛno akɔkɔ asɔre mpo no yɛsɔfo kra me bɔ mpa ma blasters nti wɔn ntotom ne mo yɛ mpa bɔ no yɛ kra deɛ na nso yɛ nti atibi de brɛ mo a no ma yɛ mo ne mo yɛ ma but me to my point is clear. We should go to this tournament with a managed expectation. They na me share heat na wo American. Anyhow, other countries ni be air complaining no. Senior Europeans ne complaining pitch ne ade no. Moon said maybe those minor things can be a sort of advantage to most of the African countries because we need to make us a heat in the pitch ever affect bobo. To be entiase ma.
Go from mobile how.
Number what start here free ha. What bomb for to park so boss ah could do America pitch so. Say hurricane complainia. Fatal is
how could say Ghana team no. Move o hanjije mo aduana na mobile ada.
Debi atizigi krom ha.
Na atizigi wo kwatena boje ne.
Oh debi what na ba what fam bi. Omo ba anyem fitiri ball no mbo. Benjamin Asare crowd watu no hwe buo mu a buo no no to no hwe nti US pitch won't be complaining go to Gideon Mensah start free wafa e kire ha Babara man who free dreams Benam Kotoko won't be complaining Jonas Ajete no na me kire ha go to o calling so ali disi no mu nyina akrum ha no mo free koye yi kwasisibo tafo park na ogina so na o hwiri park na mna wa ha na o tia so ni ade again plus the heat. So my point is, this may not be positive for the tournament itself, but for you free this side, you say you be complaining heat. Send Europeans be complaining. You say you be complaining pitch. Send Europeans be complaining. So it's somewhere the other have a bit of minor advantage, not huge, minor. But we should go to this tournament with a managed expectation. There's a lot of question marks regards to our team. We need a lot to survive. But away from that, Kotoko
still
just tell. The fans are waiting for these announcements.
Okay. Because
of the SCPEN. The last time there was a change of administration, the IMC nearby, led by Nana Penkra Kwesi. When appointments year late, the head coach talked about when you transfer and right. Because of the pool of players and our system. No. To be able to check the IMC in the second season, the transfers after so many time for those transfers was much better than almost first season or mobile. Go check the second season, Kamara, Samba, Lord Amwa, Patrick Siedu, Ablo, Sak. You see, those names were
but position at the end of the year, no league position,
second season. Second season no more FA Cup na.
Third,
yes, second season. No.
Oh, okay.
Buy no more third omo FA Cup ko African. But first season no omo ntimi anye ni nyina. So we check it transfer first season and transfer second season. The second season was much better.
Okay.
And clearly omo catch say they had issues with time. Cause time omo buy no terminating contract, signing players, pre-season na daje no. And you to season club on champion you know starting recruitment and now media man started Ediana started omo be two coin so the fans are waiting for it and let's wait
thank you the fans are waiting Jibo
Ura Kofi Adams gidi esun nim se sun pa okay edana yakobo ye ne Germany ni Australia no ba Ghana no obeye interview bi na o say ono agitumi say e will be bia Ghana say World Cup club final ene ye kan mo betin age World Cup no kwasi etimi gibi eno ka ho bi and influence o mu decision to sack Otuado as Blasters coach. World Cup here one tournament abema boda only the World Cup e follow history pa o e follow history pa ma me wade bi we say World Cup only two continents na win World Cup no Europe and South America. Anytime bia yabo World Cup no outside Europe or South America only say South American country na dey
Boy,
yabo World Cup no
outside Europe
or South America.
Okay.
To say 1970 World Cup here in Mexico. 1986 World Cup yɛbɔ ne Mexico. 1994 World Cup yɛbɔ ɛwɔ Brazil ɛwɔ USA sorry. 2002 yɛbɔ ne Japan South Korea. And at the last World Cup 2002 yɛbɔ no Qatar. 2022 yɛbɔ no Qatar. Nti other countries amabo nyinam zutu countries omo outside Europe and South America. 1917 Mexico, Brazil, Nigeria. 1986 in Mexico, Argentina, Nigeria. 1994 USA, Brazil, Nigeria. 2002 Japan, South Korea, Brazil, Nigeria. 2022 Qatar, Argentina, Nigeria. Over the history of the World Cup now, directed towards a South American country, either Brazil, Argentina, and then even Uruguay. But the Aboboni and Brazil and Argentina and Argentina. No kwe woman say Ghana team na dey ko World Cup no. Be mo boda nyame nim no kure ni. E ba the individual quality na abafom pa. Similar to other countries at the World Cup. On say Mizoto ade ba ko be play key role e World Cup wey coaching. Coaching be play key role in World Cup and maybe the decision to sack Otuado to know right, but the timing was wrong. Otuado they qualify World Cup new year and SNK Pamano. Because you need qualify for World Cup. You can say you can't even program. Two be some question bedding. Do to any nanka coach we benya bre ade ba ko a be ha coach we pa an say when a lot of time at the emphasize players who more games and ekwa number say any Honduras games Honduras for some more
Kenny Honduras ko bobo
an ke yebo behind close them so china
omzo momo
so mo
are
I don't know it's ade ba ko be ha ne say onya games na so to what me actually players and how he wants to play. I don't know a problem. How anamisi ni Otuado mujidie. Na yes, M2 then Spain so 2010 in South Africa. Either the Europeans or South America for no thanks for the correction. It's when about your team need there and no baby home. And it will take a coach to make bold decisions. Ade ba ko am expect coach we ni so obeye. Yes, our boy ya debi am no din hu komo yi television chi obia oben blasters tin ni bia no obia am fa the selfish interest in ton chen me player we ball qualifies no and na we na ebo number 8 and na we na ebo we
your big coach there say he will make the decisions
sometimes say who
no yes he's a big boy
World Cup you're concerned one of those.
No, in terms of coaching, and Ghana, the pedigree, a former Manchester United assistant coach, a former coach of Portugal,
no doubt about that.
And a man a big coach.
Competition
No, in terms of course,
he's still there with them.
In terms of decisions.
No, he's still there with them. Coach is now co-work up, so he's still there with them. Top coach is now co-work up.
So an achievement
where he has been.
Oh, as I said, there's no doubt about it.
He's there with
them. Then World Cup on one achievable World Cup. One achievable.
Pa Carlo Ancelotti. And Ebia De La Fuente, Didier Deschamps, Lionel Scaloni. Ebia Tuchel.
No, it's a World Cup, no. World Cup name was a
No, achievement in general, no. If it's a club side.
In general, he has coached Real Madrid, he has coached Manchester United. He has taken teams to the World Cup.
The team, no. Adeba coach boldness. Our mama for influence in the selection.
Yeah.
And Paibodi here, Minister Kobompaye. The selection is a tool. Very, very important. Player will feel their own suit in the star. Unquote the Milo way, you call 2010. A 2 point is also he was able to drop Sule Muntari. Or the Sule to bench, Steve Napier to bench. And a born I am to a mom bet me a tumbi can on a bomb. Bakuni Kelebichi. It's no idea about why he coaching so bad.
Okay.
And no permit has NCC chairman. Oh, as Empire FM. As I do Bema board the hammer. It's only a pet time near discussing the role of supporters
Yeah.
In a football club.
Yeah.
Now me tell you for over 14 coaches now do almost CV about for her said man. We was him.
Oh, yeah, catch you.
I was him.
Then they know support.
E bi na nansen ya chairman so loso control letter say comprehensive you on the season no.
Go for past chairman.
Some tired.
I'm tired. I'm tired.
Nico.
Say I'm here on. Your born na ye ka say supporters in stadium stadium. You heard a smaller picture.
You see, but this is the argument. You almost say team na nye ya supporters them, so they also care about how our teams will be ye.
Obia when ejuma wo na aba be hia. Hwe. Me da bia me ka say baby aye born ni gina sese. Enye ha supporters in sorry da ba akopemko stadium Kotoko supporters in sorry da ba akopemko stadium. League na Kotoko ne has boom. The first thing is the league is not attractive. E ho na see free. League na ewo me ho so to league na enya attractive. E di enti na league ni nya attractive. Because supporters in say ni support team to generation bia ni be support team o. It is a very different generation be.
Okay.
Now we a football club. Na so to want me and fix yourself into that generation.
I'm a message, you know, and we will more.
Generation ni be dwane agyaw.
That's right. Yeah.
Eti baby e do say no. Enye chenchi obi e Kotoko supporter e ha supporter. Obi betumi atena ne fie. Be ma boado be fa ne phone. Obehwe Ghana Premier League o support Kotoko ne ha. O power ma stadium.
Eno